All right, the Wednesday Night Breaks 2013 Dual Finest 5 and 6. 10:52 Eastern Standard Time. That's okay, Mikey. Good to have everybody on board. Maddie, Joey, we got Scotty, Cindy, Eminem. I like it. It's actually M-N Joseph. I just say Eminem. Stevie F in the mix. Hey, two solid teams. I'll take those. There's Brad, Fanatic, Will H. He jumps in too. Hungry Hiccup. So, but the thing is, Wilds, I don't want to hear it at the end of this break where he's like, listen, I don't even know why I get into Finest. I know it's coming. I know it's coming. No, I'm just playing, buddy. You're a good guy. You're all right in my book. All right. All right. Good to have you guys on board. Here it is. Thursday Night Breaks. We're coming back tomorrow. I'm so pumped. National Treasures. Get out of here. So amazing. All right, here we go, guys. Good luck to you. It's that good Finest stuff we've been hitting. We've been hitting. Like I said, guys, if anybody wants to get into the, I think there's only 2 spots left on the Ultimate Box Breaks Fantasy Football League. It is a high-end league. I'm not going to play around with you. It's 14 teams deep. Here's Vernon Davis, 53.75. There's only 2 spots left. It is first come, first serve. I put it up there, I think, on Sunday, maybe? So I think we got a good amount of you guys in there, but go ahead and put your name up there on the forum. AD is running the league this year, which is awesome. So that's awesome. AD's a pretty cool dude if you guys don't know him. AD also runs that Twitter game, and if you're not following us on Twitter, make sure to. There's Jordan Reed. And that's going to Washington. Where they at? Bailey Pooch. Come on. Yes, I'm playing in the league too. Don't act like I'm not going to play in my own fantasy football league. Come on. I got to show you guys what's up. I lost last year. I think it was it Mitch R, I think, won the league last year. I think. I can't remember, but yeah, this year the prizes, the stakes are high. I don't know how else to say it. The stakes are high. Bjorn Warner, 22.99, going to this Colts. Oh, I thought it was a different guy. Still, Robert Woods, he's always up to no good. That's going to those Buffalo Bills. Matty G, you just had to get back on that hit train, player. There it is. That's a really nice patch, though. All right, let me get these out of the way. All right, you guys have another box. Don't worry. There we go. We got one more round of Finest. It'll be the last round of the night. Then we're coming back strong. Strong to quite strong on Thursday. Really excited. Throwing some free BGS grades as well, which will be nice. That'll be Jimmy Graham, 2 out of 50. We're due for an on-card auto in a bad way. big boy autos. There he is, Gavin Escobar. Really nice patch in there. Dallas running this case. Will H. Come on, Will. Come on. This was definitely a Cowboys case. From the guy that doesn't know why he gets into the breaks. Really nice hit, dude. Gavin Escobar. There he is. The Gangster. That's his new name for me. The Gangster. Because his name sounds like a gangster. Mm-hmm. Cowboys case. So what's the acceptable amount of cases to go through before you get a super? 98 out of 99. I feel like we're at that point where it's where it's almost just like, hey, okay. So it's like, so I get like at the casino, they're like, okay, dude's been here for like 12 hours, bound to give him like a decent hand. Like, okay, I think we're ready. All right, last pack here. What? I like it. Little short print. Lamar, 69 out of 99. Going to those Dolphins. Who's got the Dolphins? Where are they at? There you are. Fanatic. I like it, man. Cool little Lamar in there. All right, nothing wild. Let's get this last two boxes. Well, I wonder what that